Hi everyone, here is just a little traveler's notebook. The cover is file folder with some scrapbook paper, and so this seam binding comes off and the elastic holds it all together, and it's got a little paper tassel with a bead, and I made that. So here we go. The inside is a little pocket with you can cut apart these little letters and make words throughout the journal, and then it says, "Hello, my name is Fabulous." So that just tucks in there, and then there's a spot here that the person can add some info. It's just a small little journal. I wanted to use up some papers that I had. Here is an envelope, and it is cut so you can add some things inside. The paper is dyed with blue Kool-Aid, and then I baked it on a pizza pan to give it some polka dots, which I think is so cute. A little bingo card that says Sassy, and the paper clip has some tulle. Not tulle, what is that? I don't even know what that is, but it's cute. And this giant pocket has a big old writing tag that you can do whatever you want with. Giant note card. And then, so the paper collection had a ton of journaling cards and photo spots that I didn't want to attach inside so the person can do what they want with them. So it's all tied together with some baker's twine. I think there's 13 cards in here. So there's the center of the notebook, and so like I said, the seam binding comes off, but everything is stitched straight down the center. And this cute little postcard piece just tucks up in there. Here's the other part of the envelope, so you can tuck more things on that side. And here's the back side, and it's got some little inserts there as well inside the pocket. And then there's the back. So this will be available in my Etsy shop, and there is only one of these. All right, thanks for watching. Oops, sorry, bye.